Gabby here, and today I have a really exciting unboxing that I've been waiting for like months and months and months. Honestly, more than months. Way more than months, actually. I've been following honeypepper for a really long time. I remember seeing, I think it was Mika Baby, wore this setup in black, and ever since then I've been stalking the honeypepper website waiting for them to restock it, and they had a pre-order. This is the heroine setup, and I'm really excited to open it. If you haven't heard of honeypepper 9, they are an independent US-based kind of J-fashion brand, and they make so many cute pieces. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this. This is my first time opening anything from them, and I've heard so many good things, and I'm so excited. But yeah, we're gonna open my new setup. We're gonna try it on together. I'm gonna style it. I'm really excited. Also, my friend got this in like the blue colorway, so we're excited to do like some sort of like matchy jirai ryousangata little date. I'm so excited. Oh my god, okay. We have to open this, but before we open this package, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And I know when it comes to my fashion and aesthetic, I'm always kind of jumping between different things. I don't know what I like the most, but I really love jirai and ryousangata. Oh my god, Liz Lisa's new spring collection, don't even get me started. Not spring, it's the summer collection. I want like everything, and I'm resisting, but there might be a Liz Lisa haul in the future. But yeah, we're gonna go through everything. I also will insert a photo so you can see what we're opening. I'm really excited. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, look at it. How could I not get it? And I did get it in all black. I was debating between, I think the all black and the pink and white, but I really enjoy an all black cord. I just think it looks really elegant. Oh wait, the branding is so cute. So I have the bow to go with the setup I had to order as well. It's like in this adorable little bag with little bunnies and bears. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, they did this so smart. Can I give them 10 million points already for the fact that the bow comes with both like a hair clip piece and a little safety pin. I will admit I don't love this type of safety pin because sometimes it breaks, but it feels better than a lot of safety pins I have. And again, I like that you could also wear it as a hair clip if you wanted to. The fabric feels really nice, and the crystal has all its gems. Ooh. Let me not drop it already. Oh, and they included a little gift. That's so sweet. Let's open our free gift. Let's take a peek. Oh, I think this is like their mascot character, if I remember correctly. Cute pink bunny. Oh my god, I can't wait to put this on one of my bags. And then they also included a bunch of their branding stickers. Again, that bunny character, the honeypepper 9 logo, the little honeypepper 9 little angel devil heart. It's super cute. And this cat is serving. Obsessed. Love this. And now we have the main event. I did get it in a medium based on the size chart. Sorry, I just knocked the cord. That's what looked like would fit me the best, so we will see. I'm gonna start with, ooh, the shorts. The setup shorts have pockets. Y'all, the setup shorts have pockets? That's insane. So the shorts for this setup are kind of just like a classic black with little ruffles, and again, 2 pockets. Insane. And it's an elastic waistband, so I'm really not worried about the shorts in any capacity. For a setup, it's typically like a long dress piece and then either a skirt or shorts to wear under it. I'm also really excited to have these shorts just to pair with other things. I think it is super cute. But on to the main event. The main reason we are all here. Oh my god, I just noticed that oh my god, sorry. Turn her around for you. Oh my god, she's so cute. It has these adorable lace sleeves, and it's like a little floral lace. The trim around the collar is like little lace hearts. That's such a cute detail. And then what I freaked out at, look at the buttons for the setup. They're little broken hearts. That's so cute. I never noticed they were broken hearts. That's even more cute and unique. And then it looks like there are these like side ties, so you can make it tighter. The back is a long zipper actually. Like this is the length of the zipper. It is the invisible kind of zipper pull, which I personally just have issues with just because I have a hard time. Did y'all hear how smooth that was? That was so smooth. Let's do it again. Oh my God. I've never heard a smoother zipper in my life. I think it helps also that the dress is all like, because I feel like sometimes dresses are constructed as like a top piece and a bottom piece. Because it is all one like long piece, there's nowhere for the zipper to get stuck on. This is so nice. And then the back of the collar has a little kind of button, so you can make it tighter. And their branding in general, I just think is absolutely adorable. I love their branding. It's so cute. I am so excited to try this on. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I love all the little details. I've been waiting all day because this came in the mail today. I'm so excited. I did pre-order this. When was the pre-order period? I can't remember. If I can remember when it was, I will write it in. But also, I don't think you can currently get this, but I do think they're planning a restock. I'm not fully sure, but they're really good at updating their social media when it comes to their launches. So, all right, I'm gonna try this on. I'm so excited. I will be right back. All right, I am back with the setup on. It fits me. It fits me. It does feel a little loose on the waist. I don't know if I should have. I'm like worried if I size down to a small, then it'd be too tight on the bust. So just keep that in mind, maybe if you're in between sizes. But it fits so comfortably. It was super easy to put on all by myself. I pinned the bow on before I put the dress on just to make my life easier. The shorts, again, are elastic, so those fit super comfortably, and I do plan to wear those like under other dresses or skirts or sweaters in the future because I feel like it just can go with so many different things. I love it so much. I will insert clips, like I took some close-up shots of it so you can see it better on, and then I also will include like a cute little styling montage moment, but I absolutely love this. I definitely will be buying from honeypepper 9 again. I'm just waiting for them to drop another thing I really want because I've wanted this setup for so long. Like I remember messaging them being like, hey, are you going to restock this? And they were like, we are planning a restock. And I was like, awesome, thank you. Because I just think an all black cord is so elegant and I love it. I do need a black bag for all my like jirai ryousangata girlies. What black bags do you recommend? Please, please help me. I do kind of want another Samantha Vega bag just because I think they're so pretty. But I know like people really like what? Like Noemi for their purses. I feel like Pume has really cute bags. I don't know. I just feel like I need like a simple black bag. I will link honeypepper's website down below. They did not sponsor me in any way. That would be a dream though. I cannot lie. Again, this is such a beautifully made garment and they have a really good size range. Like I genuinely am so happy that I get to see so many people wear their adorable designs. Oh my goodness, I just love it so much. Again, I do think this is currently out of stock. I don't know if they're going to be restocking it again, but they have so many cute designs. Oh my goodness. They're always dropping like really cute little collections, and then they have illustrations to go with the collections. Oh my goodness, I just love them. Their attention to detail makes me so happy. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, yes you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Ooh, and in the comments, let me know, like I said, for J Fashion people, if you have recommendations for a good black purse. I really would like one. Ideally something kind of small. I don't care about the metal, like hardware color as much. I just need like a cute black bag for an outfit like this. Because I feel like my usual like everyday black purse does not really go with this, okay? Also, if you have any other like J Fashion brands or stores you want me to check out and review, I might place a Liz Lisa haul soon, so look out for that potentially. But I'm always looking into different brands and not like exclusively Japanese brands. I do also enjoy some Chinese jirai brands as well. So I'm always just looking for new things to try out, and I love experimenting with fashion. It makes me so happy, and I feel genuinely so happy in this little outfit. Oh my goodness. If you would like to see my fashion content, whether that's little like outfit videos or get ready with me's, I will have my social media linked in the description. And yep, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!